We're on Alfred, page 45 for lesson number 24. Now we're going to be able to play When Saints Go Marching In again, but this time it's the right hand is going to have the melody, so the left hand will do the chords. We'll start off reviewing the chords at the top of the page. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, G7, C, F, C, 2, 3, repeat. Okay, here we go. When the Saints Go Marching In. Just listen to it once. 2, 3, 4, 1. Let's just take it apart a little bit. We're just going to do the right hand melody. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 1. C, E, F, G, C, E, F, G, C, E, F, G, E, C, E, D, E, D, C, C, E, G, G, F, E, F, G, E, D, D, C. All right, let's go through the left hand bass clef. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1, C's. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4. G7. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, F chords. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Same thing we did before, just different hands. All right, so let's do it both hands, just maybe a little slower. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 1. C, E, F, G chords. C, E, F, G chords. C, E, F, G, E, C, E, D, E, D, C, C, E, G, G, F, E, F, G, E, C. Do the same type practicing you did with the other hands. So like here, you got to make sure you hold the G, E, C, E. Hold those half notes out. So practice the right hand, practice the left hand, practice doing one hand while I'm playing both. Do the other hand while I'm doing both, like I did at the beginning of the recording. Use that, practice that way, and then you'll be able to play the whole thing. 2, 3, 4, 1. I'm going to take a little time and talk about ad-libbing. Pardon me. With this song, this is a jazzy song. It's played in New Orleans all the time. So, they got the words, oh when the saints, but instead of doing, you can change the rhythm a little bit. Maybe repeat some notes like this. See, I changed rhythm here. I changed rhythm a little more there. I even added a couple notes. there, just to make it a little different each time. You can do that. That's ad-libbing. It's not quite improvising where you're making stuff up from scratch, but ad-libbing. Okay, so you're going to just do that. You can, like when you go back to the recording that I did at the beginning, and then you can just change things a little bit like I did. You can also change things with the chords. So maybe one time just do the right hand changing. Like that. And then another time, we'll switch, and then we'll do the left hand stuff. So right now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to keep that the same. I'm going to change those rhythms. So there was even a time somewhere here I accidentally played a wrong chord and just switched it and kept going. Sounded pretty good. Now if I'd done that on purpose, that'd probably be ad-libbing instead of just a mistake. So I'm going to say I did that on purpose, so it sounds better. Then you're going to start, so then you go back to recording, and while I'm playing this part, you can just change the chords. Eventually you're going to be able to put things together. 2, 3, 4, 1. Have fun with that.